Back in 2016, I was visiting a friend's restaurant in the Pioneers Eco Village. It was called Know Thy Farmer, and they had a kombucha there that they didn't like. So I just stopped working for the fruit industry because my son was small and I needed to spend more time at home. And I thought, oh, maybe I can make this. My name is Kari Doorduin, and I am the owner and director of Kombukarious. That was the start of it when I tasted the kombucha at the restaurant of my friend, and it wasn't quite to their taste. And I started playing around with kombucha in my kitchen, and I managed, much to my surprise, to make one that we all loved. So I sold it to them, and that's where it started. I started from scratch in my kitchen. I bought my first barrel, the one that's standing back here, because I really wanted to brew in wooden barrels. So as it grew and as I got more places that wanted to buy from me, obviously the production had to grow, and I bought more tanks. At some stage it just became too big, and because kombucha is made with sugar, the floor was always sticky, so you used to stick to the floor, and the sink was full of kombucha stuff. And we just decided, okay, it has to move out. Kombucha is a getting hands dirty product. It's you work with it, you work with the scobies, you work with the ingredients, the kimchis that we make, the krauts that we make. We have to cut it up. We have to get our hands in there. That makes us part of the product. Babylon's Turin recently reached out to us to see if we can make a vinegar for them. And it's very exciting. We don't know if it's going to work yet, but we always love to play with new flavors. They want a new flavor of vinegar, and they wanted us to do a honey mead. And that's what makes this so exciting. Is it's not just production. It's figuring out new ways to make products and new ways to use them, and to combine products together. Our kombucha and our kefir water can be combined beautifully into a mocktail or a cocktail if you add gin. High quality is something that people come back for. So if people buy a product and the quality is good and it's consistently good, then they always come back for it. We have a lot of walk-ins. People are curious about what's going on here. We put up a tasting very quickly. We also sometimes work together with local schools to teach the kids how to make fermented products. We grow in a way that we can keep up with. So if we grow too fast, we can't keep up with the production. With everything that we use, for example, in our products, if we use cabbages or there's little bits of fruit left, we put it in a compost bin. We take it to a local place that use it for compost. We recycle everything that all the bottles that we can't use anymore, we take to a local recycling center. Both in our products and in our growth, we aim for sustainability. I love entrepreneurship, and anybody can do it. So for kids who are listening or who read or who see what we do, if you have an idea, you can do it. Just try.